The people have right for free speech. Freely उलोवपाक हक्क आहा सगळ्यांक सिटीजनांक. कित्याक this is a democratic country. We are not in North Korea or some dictatorship to suppress people. You don't speak this and you don't speak that. So only we have to speak pro government. म्हणजे government बरो आहा, सगळें बरें चलता गोंयांत. तसलें तेंकां सरकाराक करलें जाय. But person like Swapnesh Shirlikar is raising issues concerning environment, the wrongdoings in the government, what is happening today. And anybody who questions the government, whether it is Swapnesh or whether it's Rama or anybody, is today being suppressed. Nobody should come forward. Nobody should become an activist and defend and support the protection of Goa. So we have to keep silent. Ogira bachami. Goy cover kara tumi. Raite kora. Shetan pura, dongar kapa, moye pura. Ani ami soglani ogira bache. Poi oita dinga poi kazan shetan putta. Dongar kapta. Moye putta. Zadan kapta. Private forests are being destroyed. Our jungles are being destroyed. Our wildlife is being destroyed. And the government expects us to remain silent. It is our democratic right, our constitutional right, enshrined in the Constitution, free speech. Even the Supreme Court has upheld the right to speak, criticize government. When we criticize the government, that means democracy is flourishing. If the government has to accept criticism. But this government doesn't want to accept criticism. They want only praises to the government. Which is, तुम्ही आणि काहीच दाखवू नका आम्ही किती वाईट करतात आहे, किती डिस्ट्रॅक्शन करतात आहे, तुम्ही योग्य राहा. That is the message what the government trying to say, that if you criticize the government, they will file flimsy cases like what they are filing against Swapnesh. They are filing flimsy cases, fabricated cases, so that we are wasting our time here. We have got so much other things to do to fight for Goa. But all activists and everybody is concerned citizen have come here today, and we find that the interrogation is going on. And this interrogation is always biased because police is being used by Goa government as an apparatus to suppress the people of Goa. Police has to be independent, not a tool in the hands of the politicians to suppress Goans. Whereas the criminals are let free. Criminal को सगळे मोठा फ्री कोण अरेस्ट करता त्यांना मर्डरांक कोण अरेस्ट करता चोरी जाता अटॅक जाता burglary is happening. Nobody is taking any action on that. Action has been taken against those guys. Here action is being taken against people who are trying to uphold the law. Activists are trying to uphold the law to ensure that Goa is not destroyed. And this government is telling us that what you are doing is wrong. So we will use the police against you. Police has to be independent to protect and uphold law and order. See the state of law and order. Law and order is completely collapsed in Goa. There is no law and order. Wherever you go, right in front of Panji police station the other day there was fight here. That means there is no fear. People have no fear. Those who are criminals have no fear. They can fight outside the police station. They can conduct inside the police station because there is a nexus between the police, politicians, and the government. So when you have this nexus, it's very dangerous. Highly dangerous when there is a nexus between criminals, police, government, and politicians. Right now, this nexus is continuing. That's why all the gundas, all the thieves, all the murderers are getting away with crime. Goa has become a crime capital. Once upon a time, this was happening in Bihar and UP. But now, we witness this crimes increasing in Goa. Crimes against women, crimes against minors and children, crimes against senior citizens. Nobody is spared. Even the tourists are not spared. They are also beaten up. Goa is a tourist destination. See what is happening. They come here and they get beaten up. They come on a holiday only to be beaten up. Sometimes tourists are beating Goans due to road rage. They drink and drive. There is no control. Goa has become a completely lawless state. And here we have come here today to support Swapnesh Shirlikar. What is his crime? His crime is because he is highlighting the issues concerning Goa, critical issues. That is his only crime.